Say goodbye to paying for signals and trading signals. In this video, we'll learn how to get successful, free trading signals from a global company, Exness. A dedicated team of experts provides accurate analysis and professional signals on key assets like gold, oil, and Bitcoin. For example, we now have a recommendation on gold. Small blue diamond technical analysis indicates an upward trend. Small blue diamond, the first resistance point is at 4,000, and the second is at 40.20. If the price breaks a pivotal area, an alternative scenario is presented, with a downward trend toward 39.25 and 38.59. The advantage of these signals is that they are clear, well thought out, and realistic. Let's review the results together. When we view the chart on TradingView through the Exness platform, we notice that the price has indeed moved in the direction of the recommendation. Personally, I don't rely solely on the signal. I use additional indicators to confirm the trend before entering a trade. Moving on to Bitcoin. The analysis shows that the price is in a downtrend as long as it's below 125,000, and the red color in the signal indicates that the decline is strong or prolonged. This way, you can easily and professionally follow all the signals in the Exness app. The great thing is that all of this is completely free, while many channels charge for the same service. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. You'll find the link to register in the app at the bottom of the video. Thank you for watching, and we wish you successful trading.